How to publish a website in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your own website that you have created on Hostinger Website Builder. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple, and you are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the H panel or the dashboard of your Hostinger account. Once you're here, you're going to jump into the websites. Click on websites and click on website list. So if you have already a website that you have created already, you're going to click on edit website and then you're going to see the website in here. And normally you're going to see the button of publishing the website instead of update or like here, as you can see the buttons. But in this website, it is not live. So that is going to be another um, case, which is going to be the principal case that we are going to have the goal of. Go live, click on go live, and then you're going to publish your website immediately. Basically, Hostinger is going to give you a backup service. Also, it is going to activate the autosave on, and also it is going to give you a domain or a temporary domain, and you can see it in here. So basically, you're going to see that you're going to use the temporary domain and you're going to get your website in here. So you're going to get the domain that contain the preview link. So you're going to see that this website is going to be private or on the coming soon mode. So how we can make the website live without the coming soon? I'm going to um, untick or disable the coming soon mode, click on update website, and here normally you're going to see it as live. We're going to wait for the process and we're going to get normally the link again. We're going to visit the website and we're going to see the elements in here. This is the preview of our website and everything is going to work properly. So normally this is set for this specific one. Now, each one of the updates or the modification that you are going to have here, for example, adding an element, adding a page, or modifying the style of the page or anything from here, adding, for example, a blog or manage the store, is going to be auto saved. And all you need to do is to click on update website, and then the update is going to be live. So this is how you can put a already set up or chosen website into live mode or publish it. How we can do that with the process of creating a new website. So for example, you're going to have the first time in here on Hostinger, the website. So you have created an account within Hostinger and you want to create a website and make it live. Basically, you are going to head over hostinger.com, click on websites, websites list, and then you're going to create a website. Now, what are we going to do? Click on add website. We have three choices: WordPress, Hostinger website builder, empty PHP/HTML website. We're going to use only the Hostinger website builder. Click on here. You're going to get the first panel or the first window, which is going to be having the assistance of the Hostinger AI to build our own website. So you can put in here the brand name and the description of the utility or the website, let's say work, and then you're going to create a website. Or you can go ahead and use the pre-made templates by clicking on this button. You can go ahead and select one of the websites. As you can see here, templates. We have on our channel a detailed video about the best or some of the best templates that you can find on Hostinger, and you can use them with the Hostinger website builder. You can check them on the channel. Now, in here, you're going to see or choose one of the categories of the website. For example, we have the e-commerce, and most of you are going to use Hostinger for creating stores. So you can also have the AI assistance in here, even though you have skipped that part. So you are going to get here already a reminder for using the AI. Now, the as you can see here, the specific templates are going to be set up for the category of e-commerce. For example, we have technology, fashions, portfolios, and etc. Or also, you can use some blank templates and start customizing yours like this. We have blank site, blank portfolio, and blank business, and also blank service templates. So I'm going to choose one of the templates, for example, for the restaurants, and then we are going to use it right there. You can preview the template before using it by clicking on the button of preview. You can see here or navigate through all the elements that we have here, and you can see the different components and different pages, different colors, styles, and also fonts used. You can also check the mobile version and see if it is going to be satisfying for you or not. If you like this, you can go ahead and head over the specific one and click on select template. If not, you can go ahead and use another template. So as you can see, here we have our template loaded. Now, what can we do for that specific template? Before going live or publishing it, you can modify it. You can add a sticky bar, you can modify the header, modify a section or specific elements on a section, add a section like here. You can add it a generated section, blank section, blogs, online stores, and etc. So with that, you're going to see the specific elements that you can modify or add. Here, you can check up all the elements before adding it. So here, you can also click on hide or show a specific section for the mobile version or desktop version, for example, before going live. Now we are going to have here the website going live, and then we're going to get the specific link for it. Now we are going to make sure that the website is not on the coming soon mode. So this is the update. I'm going to head over here and wait for the link and check the website. I'm going to go in here and then this is the website. Now you can have here a domain connected to your website so you're not going to get the long uh, URL that the specific hostinger has put the temporary domain for. So for example, you can go ahead and click on get domain and then you're going to have your domain added. So you can add an external domain or buy a domain from here. So you can type in, for example, Jack's restaurant, and then you're going to have something in here. Basically, you can go ahead and add whatever domain that you want and buy it from this. Then you're going to click on next and you're going to get your internal domain. Basically, that was pretty much it for publishing the website. We'll let it go live and here we have it. Do not forget that this is something that you can control. And also, if you want to unpublish a website, all you need to do is to click on here, coming soon mode, and then you're going to update the website. Maybe you're going to see that this is maybe illogical, but it is going to hide your website. So basically, you cannot unpublish a website on the Hostinger website builder until you're going to delete that website. So you can edit the coming soon page, which is going to be the banner or the temporary banner of your website, just like that, and add some multiple elements in here to get the attention of the visitors that it is going to be coming soon or it is going to be deleted soon. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.